OK，
欢迎
北京欢迎你，中国欢迎你，乌拉！
Kim noldan biznesni boshlayman desa bizni kanalimizga obuna bo'ling. Xitoylik do'stlar bilan biznes suhbat o'tkazamiz. Biz bilan qoling. Azizlar, ajoyib savollar bo'ladi. Azizlar, bizni kuzatib qoling. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Xush kelibsizlar O'zbekistonga.
He said, welcome to Uzbekistan.
Rahmat aka. Assalomu alaykum everyone.
Hozir mehmonlarni tanishtirib o'taman. Bizning hamkorimiz, biz birgalikda ishni boshladik. Xudo xolasa yaqinda Apex kompaniyasining asoschisi Mr. o'zimizda tilda Mr. Johnny.
Assalomu alaykum.
Bu o'rtog'imiz shu Enter Engineering texnolog Mr. Tsinghua Pena texnologiyasining texnologi Mr. Son.
Warmly welcome.
Son. Bu rafiqasi Alice. Xush kelibsizlar O'zbekistonga, xush kelibsizlar. Bomba savollar tayyorlaganmiz. Bu penaga taalluqli hamda endi biznesni boshlayman degan tadbirkorlarga taalluqli juda manfaatli suhbat bo'ladi. Azizlar, bizni kuzatib qoling. Sizga savollarimiz bor. Xitoy tadbirkorlarini yaxshi tadbirkor sifatida mana birgalikda ishlayapmiz. Sizga ajoyib savollar bermoqchimiz. Qisqa va lo'nda qilib biz tadbirkorlarga tushunarli javob qaytarsangiz.
So we said we are cooperating together for a while, and then as a good businessman, I want to do with you a short interview, and then you can give short and useful.
Xitoyda boshladik savollarni. Xudo xolasa, birinchi savolimiz: Xitoyda eng tez sotiladigan tovarlar qaysilarni tanlagan bo'lar edingiz?
So, from your experience, what are the most selling goods in China?
My great honor, my answer is very much simple. Almost everything.
Deyarli agar ilojini qilsa deyarli hamma narsani sotsa bo'ladi.
Wow, mashallah, zo'r javob.
Which means that a lot of great opportunities between China and Uzbek.
Masalan, Xitoy tadbirkorlarini bilamiz, chegara bilmaydi. Hamma joyda Xitoy tadbirkorlari mavjud. Siz bir davlatga mahsulotingizni olib kirishdan oldin nimalarga e'tibor bergan bo'lardingiz?
So it says these days we can see Chinese businessmen literally everywhere. So he says before you come and then to start the business, what are the things you mainly focus on, or based on what things you start your business?
Actually, the key things is the business scope. I mainly focus on the building materials because you can see that Uzbek is developed very much fast. Everywhere is under construction. So for the building materials, undoubtedly that will be the first priority.
O'zi hamma narsani o'sha joyiga qarab deydi, davlatiga nima va rivojlanish shunaqasiga qarab. Masalan, O'zbekiston sharoitida ko'proq qurilish narsalar yaxshi ketadi, chunki O'zbekiston rivojlanayotgan davlat.
Xitoyda yutug'i ham shunda.
That's the success of China, he says.
Rahmat aka.
Qaysi tovarlarni hozir bizning diyorda trendda deb o'ylaysiz?
So, what do you think? Like, what are the goods are in most popular here right now?
I do think that Shaka Age is very much smart. Get very much sharp ideas, mainly for the decorations and the beauty materials, lightnings, and indoors. All of those are quite good business because that is a must.
Menimcha deydi, Shokir aka juda to'g'ri biznes qiladi deydi. Sababi men magazinlar ko'pchilik masalan svetlar, men bu uyda remontda ishlatiladigan narsalar, hozir boyagi rivojlanish bo'lgani uchun hammasi o'sha trenddagi narsalar. Shuni
ketadi. Xizmatni ko'paytiramiz, xizmatni. Okay. Yana ajoyib savol, Mr. Johnny. Sizni tadbirkor sifatida agar hozir sizni hech narsangiz yo'q, nol. Sizni qo'lingizga $1000 bersam, tadbirkorlik nimadan boshlagan bo'lar edingiz?
So he says this is an interesting question, and then he says, let's say you don't have money or you don't have business right now, and then if I give you $1,000 how do you start your business, or from what? He says.
Wow, that is very much challenging questions. 1 million USD dollars.
1000 USD.
Yeah, 1,000 USD dollars. But actually, I can do a lot. But mainly, I will do the business between China and Uzbek, international trade. First place, and I would like to go to EU to just get the goods with the amount of 800 USD dollars. Guess what? You can almost get 1,000 different models, SKUs. For the small things, although it is small with cheaper price, but actually it is very much attractive with 200 USD dollars for the logistic. And then we can resell maybe at least 3 times of profit I can get. Believe it or not, come with me, you will get it.
Bu aytadi, agar 1000 dollarim bo'lsa deydi, masalan Xitoyda 1 dollardan arzon narsalar ko'p deydi. O'shanga bir 800 dollarga o'shanaqa olib kelardim. 200 dollar logistika u yoq bu yoqqa ketadigan bo'lsa, xullas o'shani aylantirgan bo'lardim deydi.
1000 dollarda o'zini
Chunki kichkina arzon narsalar bor deydi, e'tibor tortadigan, yaxshi ketadigan narsalar bor deydi. O'shanaqa narsa olib kelib sotadi. Даже bu 3 barobargacha foyda qoldirsa bo'ladi dedi.
Mr. Johnny, siz tadbirkorlikni boshlaganingizda, noldan boshlaganingizda, eng katta qilgan xatolaringizdan nimalar bo'lgan? Tadbirkorlikni boshlaganingizda eng ko'p qilgan xatolaringiz nima bo'lgan? Va shuni qolganlarga xato qilmaslik uchun nimani tavsiya qilgan bo'lardingiz?
So he said, I know you are a good businessman, and then since you start your business, what was the biggest mistake you have done? And then for the new the businessman, what they should do so that they don't make this kind of mistakes?
Okay, that is very much a good question. Well, I think I made a lot of mistakes. However, I never be afraid of mistakes. As a Chinese saying, the more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. So, I do think that the culture shock is the biggest mistake I made. At the very beginning, I came to Uzbek, I came across a very big, great culture shock. I cannot communicate people much more efficient.
Bu o'zi Xitoyda bitta maqol bor deydi. Kim ko'p xato qilsa, o'sha tezroq rivojlanadi deydi.
Eslab qolamiz. Biznesda, tadbirkorlikda eng kim ko'p xato qilsa, shu tez rivojlanadi. Mashallah.
Shunga deydi, men eng katta qilgan xato emas, unaqa kamchiligim deydi. Menda O'zbekistonga kelganda culture shock bo'lgan. Ya'ni madaniyatiga tushunmaganman. Aholi bilan tilda muomalada unaqa bo'lgan deydi.
Birinchi xalqning madaniyatiga tushunib olish kerak. Zo'r. Okay, Mr. Johnny.
But actually I get a very excellent teacher like Husnidin to teach me a lot. I learned a lot from him and how to communicate and how to talk kindly and strategically. Thank you very much, and my dear partners as well my colleagues.
Shundan ko'p narsa o'rganganman dedi. O'sha odamlarni qanaqa gaplashish, ularni madaniyatini tushunish bo'yicha dedi.
Rahmat. Xitoyda muhim bo'lgan tadbirkorlikda, biznesda muhim bo'lgan 3 ta juda asosiy qoidani aytib bera olasizmi? Hozir kechirasiz, men sal boshqacha qilib aytib bermoqchi edim. Xitoy biznesida eng muhim bo'lgan 3 ta qoida nima?
In China, or I would say for Chinese people, what are the 3 rules or things they need to have in order to be successful?
Yeah, I think that 3 main principles are very much important. Number 1, your initial funds. If without initial funds, you can do nothing. Secondly, about your human resources, the relationship, the business scope.
Okay.
Yeah. Thirdly, of course, your spirit of struggling. Yes.
Okay. 3 ta muhim narsa bor dedi. Birinchisi shu anada kapital. Puli bo'lish kerak edi, yaxshi puli bo'lish kerak edi. O'shani boshqarishni bilish kerak deyapti-da. Undan tashqari odamlar bilan ko'proq naqasi bo'lish kerak, tanish bilishlari bo'lish kerak deydi. Naq bo'lish.
Networking.
Yes, networking. Yeah, that is right.
Yaxshi bo'lish kerak deydi. Undan tashqari, men qiyinchiliklarga tushib qolsa, turib ketadigan mentaliteti bo'lish kerak deydi. Masalan, yiqilganda, masalan, taslim bo'lmaydigan.
Azizlar, 3 ta asosiy qoidani yana qaytarib o'taman. Birinchisi kapital. Chunki o'zimizni sarmoyamizni boshqarishimizni bilishimiz kerak. Mr. Johnny aytibdi. Ikkinchisi networking, ya'ni tanish bilishlik. Xitoy do'stlarimizda ham xuddi bizga o'xshab, o'zbeklarga o'xshab tanish bilish, networking o'ta muhim, biznesda o'ta muhim hisoblanar ekan.
Uchinchisi o'sha qiyinchiliklardan chiqib keta olish.
Har qanaqa qiyinchiliklardan chiqib olish. Ayniqsa bu yoshlarimizga tegishli. Qiyinchiliklardan chiqib olish.
Never give up.
Hech qachon taslim bo'lmayman deydi.
Mashallah. Okay. Tak. Ishonchli sherikni qanday tanlaysiz? Sherikmiz. Ishonchli sherikni qanday tanlaysiz?
So he says we have been working for a while, and then as a businessman, how you find a good trustworthy partner? He says.
Honestly speaking, I do think that is the core values for the successful business. I'm very much lucky. Xudo xohlasa, inshallah, when I get to know my partners like Shocker, okay. Not only he is my good partners, but also he is a very good teachers.
So now the question is how you choose people.
Okay, I get three main things to judge.
Okay.
First of all, and then maybe the initial period and how to get along with each other. Maybe I would like invite him just for one dinner to see his manners, and also especially for the specific details can decide.
Okay.
Yeah, whether the quality and also the character it is suitable for us or not.
Okay.
This is first.
Okay. And then.
Yeah, please translate the first. Let me think about it.
Bu naqa deydi? Yaxshi tanish topish uchun deydi. Xullas, yaxshi chiqishib ketadi. Men odatda partnerlarni tanishayotganda birdaniga yaqin bo'lib ketmayman deydi. Masalan, bu joyga taklif qilaman ovqatga yo bu yoqqa sekin xarakterini o'rganib, birdaniga katta ish boshlab olmayman deyapti-da. Gapi. O'shanda o'rganaman deydi. Masalan, xarakteri qanday ishlab keta olamizmi yo'qmi, o'sha orqali tanlayman deydi. Mayda narsalar bo'lishi mumkin, lekin o'shalar keyin bilaman, o'sha ta'sir qiladi keyin.
Qat'iyatlik bu yerda sal chotki anaqalar bilan bo'lmadi. Bo'pti. Keyingisiga o'tamiz, keyingi savolga o'tamiz. Keyingi savol. Qanaqa insonlarga umuman biznes qilma, qo'y, sen lutchi birovda qo'lda ishlab yuraver deysiz. Qanaqa insonlarga aytgan bo'lar edingiz?
So he said to what kind of people you would advise not to do the business. They definitely fail.
The first impression is very much important. Similar, like I'm trying to just find my girlfriend, partner. So if I fall in love with at the first sight, I'm sure maybe you will be the right person. This kind of special feelings, maybe we call it a sixth sense.
Maybe I couldn't explain the question. The question is, so there's a person,
Okay.
and then he has some kind of qualities,
Okay.
character quality. So you think he definitely will fail
Yeah.
if he does the business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Too much aggressive. Too much proud of himself. For sure, he will come into the failures because we get more excellent people outside you.
Mana egosi baland odamlar bo'ladi. O'ziga vashi bino qo'yib yuborgan, kibrli odamlar. O'shanaqalarga shunaqa bo'lishi deydi, muvaffaqiyatsizlikka uchrash aniqroq deydi. Sababi ular eng zo'rman deb o'ylaydi, aslida undan ham yaxshi, undan zo'rlar ko'p deydi. O'sha o'ziga ko'p ishonib olgani uchun ular обязательно naqa bo'ladi deydi. Nima deydi? Ishi bo'lmay o'xshamaydi deydi.
Xitoy davlatini bilamiz, juda tezlik bilan, shiddat bilan rivojlanib bormoqda. Rivojlanyapti ham. Uchta omil keltiraman tez rivojlanishiga, Xitoyda tez rivojlanishiga. Shu uchalasidan birini tanlab aytsangiz ham bo'ladi. Men uchalaringizga birday savol beryapman. Xitoyning shiddat bilan tez rivojlanishiga mehnat sababchimi? Moliya sababchimi yoki ilm sababchimi? Qaysi biri sababchi deb o'ylaysiz? Bizga qaysi birini tanlagan aytgan bo'lardingiz?
So he says this is a really good question, and then it's for all.
Okay.
For all. And then the question is, I give you 3 reasons. He says, he says, China is developing really fast, and then according to me, he says there are three factors: labor. I mean, people love to work. İkincisi neydi?
Moliya.
Money. I mean, country or
Ilm.
people have a lot of money. The third one is knowledge. So out of these three, which factors? One of these factors contributing to the the fast development of the country.
Bu hammaga savol. Hammaga savol.
So it's-
Xohlasa Mr. Johnny bitta aytsang mayliga.
He says, can you answer one by one? He says.
Yes, of course.
So
Okay.
it's just labor,
Mm.
Moliya,
money, and then
ilm.
knowledge. Yes.
Okay. Hope that is really good questions. Maybe different people get different ideas. Okay. So I would like to introduce Mr. Sunshine to share his point of view. 就是针对这个中国现在发展的速度非常的快，经济发展这块，总共一般他大概总结了有3个因素，就是人们呢非常的勤劳勇敢，乐于去工作，喜欢工作。OK， 这是第一个。第二点呢，他觉着中国人比较有钱。第三个呢，就是刚刚说到的这个知识。OK， 你是怎么样去看待的？
我认为这个中国的这个几十年发展，主要在于这个中国的整体这个教育水平提高比较大。每个人就是像我们小时候的时候，可能接触的东西比较少。后来随着这个经济的发展，然后这个对我们这个教育的提升啊，我们感觉对这个世界有更大的看法所以我们就更希望走出来，更希望做生意，更希望挣钱。所以我感觉这个知识knowledge 是对我们来说比较重要的。
Yeah, can you understand? Or maybe I can just translate it. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that is one of the key points. In his point of view, the education is a key point. Because in China, most of the families they pay special attention on the education. As a Chinese saying, knowledge can change your feet. Which means that the more you have already learned the technology, history and different backgrounds, or you have learned, and it can just change your view of the whole world. So in his point of view, okay, open to the outside and work to the rest of the world to get more information and then try to digest it and then put it into practice. That is the key. So yes.
Sonda gapiga qaraganda, xullas Xitoyda odamlar deydi, ayniqsa hozirgi yosh avlod, ota-onalar bolasini o'qishiga juda ham kuchli e'tibor qaratadi deydi.
Zo'r.
O'shani hisobiga bularda shunaqa qoida bor ekan. Masalan,
Azlarga e'tibor beramiz.
Ko'proq shu chetdan yoki mana butun dunyoda masalan hamma TikTokda u yoqda o'tirib qolgan paytda bular ko'proq ilm o'rganib, o'shani hazm qilib, o'shani qo'llash. Mana shunaqa narsaga ko'proq e'tibor beradi.
Knowledge and technology, yes.
Ilm. Xullas qalam azlar ilmga, yoshlarimizga, chunki kelajagimizga ko'proq ilmga deyapti, fokus qaratishimiz kerak deyapti. Ilmga ko'proq. Ilm zo'r. Okay. Tak.
Yes, very good.
Alice ham bitta o'zing fikrini aytib o'tsin.
Albatta,
Alice, 你是怎么想的？
就刚才这问题。
对，是的，
什么问题我都忘了。
刚刚他说到的最主要就是现在中国的发展的速度非常的快。他认为总结了有3个主要的因素。第一个呢，就是中国人比较勤劳勇敢，乐于去工作，工作非常的努力，工作的态度。第二个呢，就是为了钱嘛，对吧？大家都愿意去为这个经济建设去添砖加瓦。第三个呢，就是刚刚说到的知识。你觉着，从你的角度来讲，你觉着哪一个是决定性的因素？为什么？
我感觉从观角度更高层次来看是。国家层次的领导者来说，政治方面的因素比较多吧，能带领这个国家是走经济路线还是走什么其他的路线？我感觉这个是最主要的原因。
Yeah, actually,
带领底下的群众去做什么样的发展
？Yeah, actually, Alice's position is very much high. He said, from the top management of China, it all depends on the leadership of our president. And also the top management, which means that the political reasons is more prior to all of these factors.
Alisani fikricha, bu uchtangizdan ham muhimroq narsa bor deydi. Hozir 3ta yozgan narsangizdan ham muhimroq narsa bor deydi. o'sha hozir boshqaruv asosan tepada o'tirgan o'sha prezidentni boshqaruv o'sha davlatni tez yaxshi rivojlanayotgani asosiy sabab mana shu narsa deb o'ylayman.
Yeah,
Okay.
good. President Xi Jinping, huh? Yeah. Yaxshi.
Agar hozir $1000 bersam, shu $1000 qaysi tovarga tikkan bo'laydi O'zbekistonda?
O'zbekiston ichida turib.
Ha. Hozir qo'liga $1000 beraman.
Ha.
Qaysi O'zbekistonda qaysi tovarga tikkan bo'laydi hozir?
So he says, let's imagine I give you 1000 USD now,
Okay.
and then
Good.
I mean, as a businessman, what would you spend this 1000 USD within the country?
Wow. That is a very much good question as well. You know, like
It's from $8.
yes, like my mistake is mainly on the culture shock because I didn't understand the background much more. So I will spend this 1000 USD dollars for the traveling. I mean, you know, I would like to visit different museums to know the history, to know their you know, philosophy of lives, and also, you know, I would like to visit different regions, even like the towns, like the villages, even some very much poor rural regions, to understand them better. And I'm sure that I can find their real needs if I get their real demands. For sure, if I can just meet their demands, I will be a successful businessman. Am I
Bu
right?
pulni bir narsaga tikmasdim dedi. O'sha pulga O'zbekiston bo'yicha sayohat qilardim dedi. Sababi muzeyga borardim, qishloqlarga borardim, aholini yaxshiroq tushunib, ularda rostini haqiqiy ehtiyoji nimaligini o'rganardim. O'sha narsaga pul sarflardim. O'sha narsani keyinchalik u kim topib, investor topib bo'lsam, o'sha narsani qilardim.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Johnny. Zo'r.
Thank you very much for your 1000 USD dollars. Yeah,
Kes,
that's
ajoyib
appreciated.
kes. Azizlar, javobni juda chiroyli javob bo'ldi. Menga eng javoblar ichidan yoqqan javob bo'ldi bu. Endi penaga o'tsak, bizda texnologimiz tashrif buyurgan azizlar tanishtirib o'tdim. Bizda O'zbekistonga yana penani qanaqa nimalarni o'zgartirib kirgizmoqchisiz? Bizga rejalar qanaqa? Qisqasini aytganda, rejalar qanaqa? Hozir qanaqa xulosaga keldingiz? O'zbekistonga yana penani sifatini qanaqa o'zgartirmoqchisiz? Shu reja haqida ozgina tushuntirib aytsin.
How would you change the form? I mean, just the form or your future plans for the country, he says.
Yeah, this is very much good technical, you know, questions. I will just switch the speakers and to our chief engineer, Mr. Song Sunshine.
一个非常优良的保温隔热一个材料，这个在乌兹别克斯坦之前可能是比较小众一些，但是现在在中国已经非常广泛用于各种建筑，比方说冷库，我们储存鱼、储存虾，这个低温冷库，然后我们适合调配方，然后来就更满足这个当地人的需求。
Wow. Okay. Yeah, you know, that is very much good answer. After the study and the research in Woodbeek, and you know, he gets you know, 3 main points. Number one, you know, now in China, the knowledge on this you know, form has been well known. Almost everybody know, you know, it is a very good material.
Okay. Now we just mature in China.
Yes, very much popular, even to each household.
Bu aytadi, короче, 3 ta sababi bor deydi. Hozir men o'zim xulosam deydi, 3 ta qilib aytishim mumkin. Birinchisi, Xitoyda odamlar ancha yildan beri bor, poliuretan Xitoyda deydi. Odamlarda уже bu haqida tushunchasi уже yetilib bo'lgan deydi. Ya'ni hozir bizda yumshoq septirib, qattiq septirib, mamnun septirsa bo'ladimi degan har xil savollar bo'ladi. Oddiy masala, elementar savol.
Xalqimiz orasida
Chunki odamlar tushunmaydi. Boya aytgandek, yonadi.
Xalqimizga yoritib berishimiz kerak. Pena to'g'risida juda ham yoritib berishimiz kerak, chunki hali xalqimizda ko'p pena to'g'risida tushunchamiz kamroq. Shu Xitoy do'stlarimiz orqali buni yoritib berishimiz kerak. Asl maqsadim shu. Penani sifati biz qayerlarga ishlatishimiz kerak. Qayerga ishlatsak bo'ladi, qayerga ishlatsak bo'lmaydi. Buni yoritib berishimiz kerak xalqimizga.
Buni javobi, ya'ni 3 ta narsa dedi. Birinchisi, o'sha Xitoyda odamlar bu narsani juda yaxshi yetilib bo'lgan dedi, fikri bu bo'yicha dedi. O'shaning uchun bitta qarab biladi, qayerga sepish kerak, nima sepish kerak degan. xuddi o'shani odamlar bu yerda ham odamlar tushunishi kerak, shu darajaga shunaqa ish qilish kerak ekan, odamlar ongga borsin, masalan mana bunaqa qilsa ham arzon tushadi, ham masalan 30-50 yil mazza qilib yashaydi. Tipa shunaqa fikr odamlarda paydo bo'lishini harakat qilish kerak ekan deydi. This is the first one. What is
Yeah, this is the first one. For the second one, the application is various. Not only like for the industry use, but also for the DIY use, for the home use as well. And to some special application as well, like the frozen, not only for the frozen refrigerator. That is one thing. Refrigeration warehouse, like the sklad. As well for the fishes and for the shrimp and for the chickens, all of those gosht. Yeah.
Bu aytadi, buni fikricha odamlarni o'sha bilimi sal cheklangan deydi. Masalan, faqat tomga sepish kerak bo'ldi deydi. Lekin aslida bu narsani ishlatish juda ham keng deydi. Masalan, kecha bitta joyda ko'rdik. Men hozir dastavkachi ko'tarib yutqizib, o'shaning chekalari shunaqada, poliuretanda,
xuddi
shunaqa ovqat soladigan. Har xil buni juda qo'llanishi asosiy o'sha qo'llanishini ko'paytirish kerak ekan. Bu juda ko'p qo'llaniladi.
Tarmoqlarni ko'paytirishimiz kerak.
Har xil joyga ishlatiladi bu narsa deydi.
Ajoyib zo'r. Biz tarixdan bilamizki, Xitoyda tarixdan Buyuk Ipak yo'li Xitoyda O'zbekistonni bog'lab kelgan. Ota-bobolarimiz bordi, kelimiz juda ham savdo sotig'imiz juda ham Xitoy bilan zo'r bo'lgan. Buni tarixdan biz bilamiz. Siz eng mehnatkash xalqsiz. Juda ham hurmat qilamiz. Xudo xolasa inshaalloh sizning davlatingizga ham, bizning davlatimizga ham bir manfaatli O'zbekistonda ish qilamiz degan umiddamiz. Biz bilmagan narsalarni sizlardan olamiz. Xudo xolasa hamkorligimiz siz bilan bardavom bo'lsin.
So he says China and Uzbekistan has had for a long, relations for a long time.
Yep.
Even like from ancient times, like
Silk Road, yeah.
Silk Road, yes. And that's why he said our cooperation will be long and fruitful, and then we can learn from you, or you can learn from us. That's how we can
Join together.
And do more successful, beneficial project for both of us. He says.
Yaxshi, this is what I mean. And Xudo xolasa, and get such a good partner like Shaka again. Like what I would like to learn from you and also learn from each other. For sure, our cooperation will be fruitful and mutual benefit.
Sizda yaxshi hamkorim bor deydi, xursandman deydi. Xudo xolasa biznesimiz sizga ham menga ham manfaatli uzoq davom etadi deydi.
Aziz do'stlar, suhbatimiz hamma uchun manfaatli bo'ldi degan umiddaman. Tadbirkor sifatida o'zimni savollarimni berdim degan umiddaman. Yana qanaqa savollar berish kerak edi, kommentariyalarda yozamiz aziz do'stlar. 3 ta yana savol beraman, to'g'rimi, noto'g'rimi, buni ham belgilab qo'yasizlar. Bizda tadbirkorlarga, O'zbekiston tadbirkorlariga 3 ta eng zo'r o'zingiz yoqtirgan case'lardan aytib o'ting.
Actually, more investors first. That is very much important. Not only for the Chinese investors, but also for some European investors, even US investors, all the investors. Because when the funds enter into this market and all of it just form into a very much good systems, it can be improved step by step. Because management takes money. You need to spend the money on this management. However, for the investors come and not only bring like the good technology and also very hot cash flow. Very much important.
Bu men tavsiyam deydi, ko'proq investor jalb qilish kerak deydi. Sababi pul bor joyda rivojlanish tezroq bo'ladi deydi. Chunki o'sha yaxshi management qilish uchun ham, boshqarish uchun ham pul bo'lish kerak deydi. O'sha investorlar faqat Xitoydan emas, masalan Yevropa, Amerikadan ham investorlar bo'lsa, ko'proq pul kirsa, pul aylanishi yaxshiroq, sog'lom bo'ladi.
1 2
Yeah.
Ikkinchisi,
I do quite admire Mr. President Mr. Yef.
Mirzoyev.
Okay. His policies on the foreign diplomatic.
Ikkinchisi mana bu davlat siyosati deydi. Masalan Mirziyoyev O'zbekiston dunyoga ochdi deydi. O'shani ham masalan, biznesingni qil, bizga ham senga ham pul bo'lsin deb tipa shunaqa ochib o'sha ham yaxshi narsa bo'ldi deydi agar qilaman biznes qilaman degan odamga deydi. Okay, this is the end, but do you have anything to say?
Yes, of course. You know, well, I'm very much impressed today, and to just get last but not the least, wow, I think that, you know, I'm local. I'm Uzbek Kidai. However, you know, I sincerely would like invite Uzbek, you know, businessmen to come to visit China as well. Seeing is believing. So, you know, let me just come into the conclusion. 北京欢迎你，中国欢迎你。OK， 欢迎我们更多的乌兹别克斯坦的投资者到中国来学习、来参观，我们一起学习，共同进步。OK，
欢迎
北京欢迎你，中国欢迎你，乌拉。
Bu juda yaxshi suhbat bo'ldi deydi. Hattoki o'sha bir ikkita qiyin savollar ham bo'ldi, terlab ketdim deydi. O'shanga lekin aytgan gaplarimdan, masalan, men tajribamdan ancha narsani boshdan o'tkazganman deydi. O'shanga ko'p narsa o'rgansa bo'ladi, hali bunaqa narsa yana qilamiz xudo xolasa deydi.
Mazmunli, maroqli suhbatlar uchun katta rahmat. Bizga vaqt ajratib, biz bilan suhbat uyushtirib, bizni tadbirkorlarga bir ajoyib keslaringizda ulashganingiz uchun sizlarga katta rahmat. Yana hamkorligimiz bardavom bo'lsin. Yangi ish joylarini yaratib, borishli, kelishli bo'laylik. Sizlarga katta rahmat. Agar sizda sizning nazlingizda yana qanaqa savollar bergan bo'lar edingiz, kommentariyalarda yozamiz. Azizlar, layklarni banglatamiz. Biznes qilaman do'stlarga tarqatib qo'yamiz.